Could artificial intelligence be the golden goose of the 21st century? Can AI tools really be a source of income? The answer, surprisingly, is a resounding yes. Technology has taken giant strides forward, and with it, the potential to earn money using AI tools has significantly increased. So, buckle up as we delve into the world of artificial intelligence and discover 5 AI tools that could help you earn money. First on our list is ChatGPT. This conversational AI from OpenAI has been making waves in the customer service industry. It can handle customer queries, schedule appointments, and even send out reminders. Imagine being able to manage hundreds of customer interactions without human intervention. This means saving on personnel costs and increasing efficiency. And yes, this could translate into increased income as you cater to more customers with the same resources. Next, we have Cookie Chatbot. Cookie offers a unique opportunity to monetize your website or app. It's an AI chatbot that you can train to interact with your users, provide support, or even sell products. It's like having a salesperson who works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week without any breaks. This could open up a new revenue stream, making money while you sleep. Then we have Jungle Scout. This AI tool is a boon for Amazon sellers. It uses AI to analyze market trends, product demand, and competition, helping sellers decide what to sell and when. This can significantly increase sales and profits. With Jungle Scout, the potential to earn money doesn't just increase, it multiplies. Our fourth AI tool is DeepArt. This tool transforms your photos into works of art using AI technology. You could create unique pieces of art and sell them online. Or you could offer to transform other people's photos for a fee. DeepArt could be your ticket to turning your creativity into cash. Finally, we have Grammarly. Yes, you heard it right. Grammarly isn't just a tool to correct your grammar, it's a sophisticated AI that can help you write better. If you're a content creator, a blogger, or a copywriter, Grammarly can help you produce high-quality content, which can attract more readers, more clients, and yes, more income. In summary, the future of earning money is tied with AI. From customer service to content creation, AI tools like ChatGPT, Cookie Chatbot, Jungle Scout, DeepArt, and Grammarly are revolutionizing the way we work and earn. The question is not if AI tools can help us earn money. The question is, are we ready to embrace these tools and unlock their income potential? So, dive into the world of AI, explore these tools, and turn the potential into actual income. The future is here, and it's powered by AI.